All right, guys, 2015 Chevy Corvette LT1 6.2 built. You'll see, you guys will hear it in a second. But he brought it in, it was way too quiet. So we said, we got you, man. We'll hook you up. We'll fix it up for you. So there's the long tube headers there, as you guys can see. That's the first telltale sign. Then there's cats under there. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's two high flow cats, and there's an X pipe before the high flow cat, which is a different system than I usually see. Usually the cats are before the X pipe, but this time they put it before. Oh, and then it's 3-inch system all the way back over the rear end. And then what we did is put 2.5-inch pipe out the back for a muffler delete. It's still got valves on it, there and there, for back pressure. As you guys can see, the mufflers had 2.5 on them too, so we just added them back in. There's a 2 MagnaFlow setup that was on it. It was way too quiet. So we took it off and replaced it. But still got the badass 4-inch tips out the back. There, right there, as you guys can see. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that.
I like how they have that Stingray in the window, the back window. Inside, it's like glass. It's a hardtop convertible. Here we go. That sound never, ever gets old, man. It's 87. Really nice stance to it. This guy is his like 5th or 6th car. He keeps switching them up and keeps moving up and up. Such a nice build. Such a beautiful stance on this thing. That cab is amazing. Let you guys hear on the inside. It is so clean. We got a crowd building today, all waiting for a nice drive off. So let's see if he gives us one. Here we go. Oh, so good. Wow. See, it puts smiles on everybody's faces. I love it. Wow. Hell yeah.